Hi, if you are curious whether the Google Pixel Watch 3 has custom watch faces, let's figure it out together. So let's simply press and hold current watch face to find all of the options for watch faces. For that, I'm gonna tap this button at New and just use my crown to rotate and go through this list. So unfortunately, as of now, there is no option to set a custom photo, as you can see, only pre-installed options. Unlike some other smartwatches such as Apple Watches or Samsung Watches. However, you can explore additional watch faces by downloading compatible ones from Google Play Store directly onto your Pixel Watch 3. So find your perfect watch face, then tap Install, and here you can set this watch face after it installs and enable to always set watch faces and tap this blue check mark to confirm. And here tap to set it as your current watch face, and this is the result. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.